Alright folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at Lake Wells Lake. We're going to take up the Timber X on a very westerly on this very windy day. Windy west wind. Look at that. Just hold it still, that wind. That west wind. Isn't that something? Literally just sat down with her. Alright, we're gonna no flaps this time. Literally no flaps. No flaps at all. Look at that.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Nice little knife edge here for you. Well, I tell you, this Timber X is so much fun to throw around the sky.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
There you go, folks. That is the Timber X. Very fun, very agile plane. About lost it there for a second. But the laws of aerodynamics give it some power and down elevator when you're upside down. And she lifted right back out of it. There you go, folks. That is the Timber X by e-flite. Boy, that's fun. There you go, folks. That's the Timber X by e-flite. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.